All right, welcome back everyone for this next video. In this one, I just thought we should do a SmartBoard kind of basic tutorial troubleshooting. We've had a lot of these conversations, so I thought maybe I should make a video just in case people forget or want something to reference. And the first thing I will show you is in the smart settings itself. Like I'm not currently connected to one, but if you are plugged into the dock and the dock's plugged into the smartboard, and like you have like a red light on some of the older smartboards that's off on the bottom right corner, pull up this, the smart settings, and just go to this connection wizard and click on that. And that's the default thing I would try before throwing in a help desk ticket. See if that reconnects the smartboard. But the biggest problem that I have probably helped people with this year is the Smart Ink settings. So you come down here to your Microsoft Office settings, and by default, it's this use Microsoft Ink. Um, and what that does is it's permanently marking up the content. So let's say you have a PowerPoint open on the board. If you have this, when you write on the PowerPoint, it's saving your markups, your lines, your highlights to the permanent file itself. Now, some of the problems I've seen with this, and especially the Smart PowerPoint plugin, but the Microsoft Ink is when it is sometimes what it likes to do is like highlight, like you're trying to draw a box around something when you're actually trying to write. And by switching it back to the Smart Ink that most people are used to, which is you're just essentially there's a layer that you're doing all the drawing on, and it's not actually messing with the file at all. So if you notice that you're having a problem with your smartboard, like not the calibration, which with these old boards, the two buttons that are under the eraser, just push those at the same time, and your calibrate should pop up. If you have two monitors, if you push that and it doesn't show up, where it likely is popping up is on your other monitor. Just hit your spacebar and it'll bring it over to the monitor that you need. And then once you do the calibrate, um, with this being off, you should be good to go. Now my warning on this is you have to close out all of the Office products, the Microsoft. So if you're doing it with PowerPoint, you've got to close PowerPoint. I just had a teacher today that she was trying to use Microsoft Whiteboard, the app, and she was writing on the smartboard and it wasn't showing up on the whiteboard that was on the app because this plugin was activated. It was actually writing, it was marking up her Microsoft Outlook on her other screen. And so she got very frustrated because it was on the wrong screen. And so here's my tip. So just go into Microsoft Office, make sure this is turned off, and do this, and that'll let you just do the basic writing like you're used to. All right, thanks everyone.